The juicer machine model 5.4-inch features an impressively wide feed chute that can accommodate whole fruits and vegetables, eliminating the need for pre-chopping and enhancing convenience. Equipped with a 350-watt motor and an upgraded spiral auger, this juicer efficiently extracts juice while minimizing oxidation, resulting in a high yield of fresh juice. Operating at 50 revolutions per minute, the slow masticating technology ensures maximum retention of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, providing nutrient-rich and flavorful juices. Designed to produce less pulp and prevent clogging, the juicer's double-layer fine filtration system delivers a smooth and refreshing juice experience. Cleaning is straightforward with the detachable filter, and users are advised to avoid using hot water above 50 degrees Celsius to prolong the juicer's lifespan. With a focus on user safety, the juicer only functions when the lid is securely closed, ensuring a safe and reliable juicing process.